Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a side hustle or a way that you can make about 10K by Valentine's Day if you do this correctly. So, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and guess what? It's the perfect time to start a side hustle. That's not only fun, but you can also bring in some extra cash. Whether you're a crafty mom, a foodie, or someone who loves to create, I have the best Valentine's Day side hustle just for you. Let's dive in. Valentine's Day is one of the biggest spending holidays of the year, with people spending billions of dollars on gifts, treats, and experiences. Why not tap into that market? So, we have a couple of side hustle ideas that we could do to get started. So, the first thing we could do is customize gifts. Guys, people love personalized gifts. You can create custom mugs, t shirts, or jewelry with romantic quotes, initials, or special dates. And then use platforms like Etsy to sell and promote your products. Or you can promote it locally through places like Facebook groups or Facebook Marketplace. You can also use things like print on demand companies, like Printify, or if you're really crafty, you can use your cry cut machine. The next thing we could use chocolate covered treats. If you're a foodie, this one is for you. You could offer chocolate dipped strawberries, pretzels, or even heart shaped cookies. Package them into a cute Valentine's Day boxes and market them on Instagram or to your local community. And then you can also like offer them delivery options for a fee, of course, to make extra incomes. But places are capitalizing off of that. Think about crumble cookies. They have the heart shaped cookies now. The pizza places are making heart shaped pizzas. So why not make heart shaped cookies or, chocolate covered gifts and capitalize off of that? Another thing we could try is flower arrangements. Okay, everybody loves flowers or roses on Valentine's Day, right? So flower arrangements could be a great gift if you're crafty like that. You can make flower arrangements, or you can even make balloon bouquets. These are classic Valentine's Day gift. You can offer them more affordable than other places, and be more creative. And then you can start by promoting on social media and telling your friends and family to get the word out. But you kind of want to source things from wholesalers or like crafting stores so you can maximize your profits. So I know the Dollar Tree has a lot of like balloons, Party City, places like that, where you can buy these items from and to sell. The next thing you could do is a love letter writing service. I know this sounds crazy, but if you're good with words, you can offer a love letter writing service. And some people, because some people struggle to express their feelings, and you can help by creating heartfelt letters or poems for their loved ones. And people will buy this. Go mention that on Fiverr or local online groups and, get your customers that way. Another thing we can do is like handmade cards or digital templates, right? So you can design the handmade Valentine's Day cards on places like Canva, and then you can put them up on Etsy to sell, right? And then people could just go in, print them off at home, and give them to their loved ones. So this is perfect for people who are creative and like to, like draw things. And then what you could do is like bundle these things together, um, and make, more money by putting them in a package. Now, you can start all of these side hustles by promoting on social media, right? So promote on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you have. Also by telling friends and family. So if you get started now, you can have all these baskets made, you can get pre-orders, and then you can deliver these products to your customers. Also, I have a checklist that I made So if you look in the description, you can go to my Etsy store and grab your Valentine's Day side hustle checklist.